What if I told you there is a soap that not only brightens your skin but also leaves you glowing like honey, clears rashes, stubborn spots, stretch marks, and post-shave bumps without the dryness like most whitening and treatment soaps cause? What if I told you that the secret to a natural, healthy, glowing skin is hidden inside this little box? And guess what? It's 100% Nigerian made. And trust me, you're going to want to hear everything I have to say before your next skincare haul. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Map Smart, your trusted guide to skincare that actually works. So today we're diving into a detailed review of the Runo Honeyglow Soap. I promise you that this isn't just any antibacterial soap. It's powered by Jethro leaf extract, natural honey, aloe vera, camwood, and shea butter to heal, protect, and glow up your skin. Stick with me because I'm spilling all the juicy details and you want to grab yours after this. I personally tested the Runo Honeyglow Soap for 14 days and the transformation blew my mind. So I want you to know that this is not a paid ad or some marketing hype. This is real results, real glow, real skin healing. But the truth is, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There's something you must know before you buy this soap. So let me tell you a quick story about how I found out about this soap and all my trial and error with this soap. So about 2 years ago, I was in my shop minding my business and this tall, fair-skinned guy walked up to me and was marketing this soap. He was talking calmly, so I gave him a chance, but I was not interested in this soap. I majorly bought this soap because I just wanted him to leave me alone. And the fact that the soap was not expensive. At the time, it was about 500 at retail price, 500 naira at retail price. Fast forward to sometime last year, my brother traveled somewhere and got back and had rashes on his arm and back. So I got to the shop and wanted to get him my treatment black soap, but it was out of stock. Coincidentally, we were doing our over-the-counter stock taking, and then we stumbled on this soap. I read through the ingredients and I'm like, okay, it contains some of the ingredients that are present in my treatment black soap. So I was like, okay, let me just try it out because I still had the 6 pieces I got from this guy intact after almost a year. So I gave it to my brother, and in fact, on the second day of his using this soap, the rashes was cleared, and I'm not even capping. His skin was clean. Now, he usually has this patch, like eczema patch around his nose. Sometimes it's like a skin reaction. We didn't even know the cause of it. It started like when he was younger. And when he started using this soap, this patch cleared up. He's a huge groundnut eater. This guy can literally finish a big bottle of McDowell full of granules in one sitting. But since he started using the Runo Honeyglow Black Soap, he has not had any breakouts. 2 weeks into using this soap, his skin started to glow. His complexion started to get brighter. In fact, his skin is clear. This is his regular soap, and this is for someone who does not use any kind of cream. He does not even moisturize his skin, just this soap. And I bet you think he uses Olay on his skin. Yes, that's how effective this soap is. Now, also in December, my auntie came back and she had a fungal infection on her skin. I gave her this soap to try out. She was reluctant. After back and forth, me explaining, in fact, it took my mother's intervention for her to agree to use this soap. When she used it, in about 5 days, her skin was clear. I personally tried it out like I told you before, and from the very first wash, I noticed how moisturizing it felt. The lather was rich, creamy, and it left my skin feeling soft, like baby butt. Not stripped, no tightness, no harshness, just clean, nourished skin. So when I used this soap, what I noticed is I noticed immediate hydration. I noticed gradual, non-patchy brightening, not lightening, brightening. Softer texture at say a week after, and in like 2 weeks, I noticed a natural, healthy glow. My skin was glowing. I mean, I have used other natural herbal soaps that didn't for my skin. So what makes Runo Honeyglow Soap so special? Of course, it's in its ingredients. So let's break down the magic ingredients. The Runo Honeyglow Soap contains natural honey, and we know that natural honey has antibacterial and moisturizing properties that calms irritated skin, hydrates the skin, and locks in moisture. It also contains aloe vera. Aloe vera soothes burns, inflammation, aftershave bumps. It also hydrates the skin and promotes healing. This contains shea butter. Shea butter is rich in fatty acids, which is deeply moisturizing and fights stretch marks. This contains deionized water. Deionized water is just pure water free from contaminants. It also contains camwood. Now, camwood is a traditional African secret skin healer that glows and smooths skin. It reduces blemishes and it repairs the skin. This also contains palm kernel oil, extract from jethro leaves and vetiver roots. Now, jethro leaf extract is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and skin protective. Palm kernel oil and vetiver roots, on the other hand, adds a calming, earthy aroma and skin rejuvenation property to nourish the skin, help maintain even skin tone, and improve damaged skin barriers. Honestly, it's like nature's best gift packed into one bar, because together these ingredients create a powerhouse soap that doesn't bleach but maintains your beautiful natural skin tone while healing it. So let's talk about the real teas, that's the pros and cons about this soap. Now, this soap is natural, it contains safe ingredients, it's deeply hydrating, it gives a noticeable glow, it's great for sensitive skin types. I have a sensitive skin, so I can tell you for a fact that it is great for sensitive skin type. And the best part is it is affordable and proudly Nigerian made. The cons of this soap is it's mild. If you prefer heavily scented soap, this might feel too natural for you. It can also melt fast, very fast, if you don't store it properly. So make sure you store it in a dry dish can and keep it away from anywhere that water would touch. If not, this soap can finish in a week. Would I recommend Runo Honeyglow Soap? Absolutely. Honestly, if you're looking for a skin safe, affordable, and natural solution to rashes, stretch marks, aftershave bumps, stubborn spots, or maybe you're looking for a gentle soap that brightens without harsh chemicals, keeps your skin baby soft, and smells absolutely heavenly, with a natural boost to your skin's glow without breaking the bank, then Runo Honeyglow Soap is your girl. It is a must-have in your skincare stash. To get the best out of Runo Honeyglow Soap, here's what I recommend. Use it twice daily, morning and night. Let the lather sit on problem areas for about 2 minutes before you rinse it off. Pair it with a moisturizing lotion to lock in the glow. And I need you to know that consistency is key. I started noticing a huge difference in just 2 weeks, but I was consistent. So if you're not consistent, I will not be held responsible for your results. So I know that this soap is best for people with dull, dry, uneven skin tones, sensitive skin needing gentle brightening. But here's the thing, if you have active acne or severely oily skin, you might want to pair this soap with a mild exfoliating toner to balance oil production. I'm actually trying out a very good oil balancing toner right now, which I'll be giving my review very soon. However, this soap is actually more suited for normal to dry skin, but you would also need something to moisturize afterwards. So watch out for my next video where I'll be talking about creams and ointments you can pair with this soap to get rid of active acne and spots fast. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest skincare reviews, and drop a comment below if you'll be trying out Runo Honeyglow Soap. Or if you've already used it, tell me your experience. I'm always excited to hear your skincare journeys. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more real honest skincare reviews every week. See you next time. Stay glowing. Bye.